Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana also indicated here on the chart the projection how I think it will carry on. At the moment it's looking good for this scenario, indicating that we are going to see lower prices still for Solana, that the what we had here as an uptrend was just a corrective wave up, as it has been for so many other altcoins as well. Told you here that probably the wave 4 is going to be finished. Then we came down here in an impulsive wave 1, confirming that. In a corrective wave to the upside in a wave 2, confirming that as well. And we are now in a wave 3 down, but to really get confirmation that this downtrend is really at play now, the final confirmation would be a break below $46. That is this low here, very important support level. If we break below that, I think we can be quite certain that the wave 3 is underway here. The wave 3 of the wave 5, and that wave 5 that I've just mentioned here in green, that should finish off the overall correction. It is a wave 5 of a wave C, actually of a wave 2. That is very important to understand for everybody who's familiar with the Elliott wave count. If you're not familiar with the Elliott wave method, check out my second channel, More Trading Online. I've got a few tutorial videos about how to understand all of this. What is important to remember is that 5 waves move into the direction of the higher level trend. So whenever you can identify a 5-wave move, as we have done here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This here was a 3-wave move, A, B, C. A 5-wave move moves into the direction of the higher level trend. So when we have 5 waves, that indicates that the trend is down in this case. If we can identify 3 waves which go up, it means this is a corrective wave. 3 waves are correcting these 5-wave moves, which means the 5 waves go into the direction of the high level trend, in this case down. The 3 waves go against the high level trend, they go up. So the next wave would then be another 5-wave move down, which we've seen here. We've then seen a 3-wave move down here, a corrective move, an A, B, C. Only a small one, because obviously we are here in a really on the 1 hour chart. And now we should see another 5-wave move down. So indicating that now we should see another correction starting in an ideal case. The market can always do something different and can do something unlikely. This would be for me the most likely outcome now, the most likely scenario. That would be confirmed, as I said, below $46. It would already be like, kind of getting very likely here above, below $47. That wave 5 low here. But then really that wave X low here at $46 would confirm that we are in this wave 3. So far, the price should not break above this resistance zone that I've highlighted here on the chart. This was an ideal retracement level for that wave 2. It did come into it, which is fine, but the price should now not break above that level anymore. And that resistance level here, and I'm going to adjust that now slightly, that resistance is above or is $54.50. The price should not break above that. Then that wave 2 here would probably it would be, this move down would not be invalidated technically, but it would then be very unlikely that it's still happening like that in this form. And then we would need to look at some kind of a more complex structure here, maybe still in the wave 4. Not really a friend of that. 1 second. Not really a friend of that, because I really hope as well that we finally start this move down, because I'm convinced that we need one more sell-off. Now, as I said in the Bitcoin, in the Cardano video, we technically don't really need it, because Solana has come into its main target range, which is actually between $55, which started up here and goes down to $30. So this is for this overall correction in which we've now been in since, November, is it? This was the main target for this overall correction. We've reached it from that point of view, because we've come quite deep into the target area already. The low could be in at any point now. I said that before. We don't technically need another lower low. It's just that this medium-term wave count suggests there will be another lower low, and also the bullishness in the chart is still very weak. So I don't currently see that bullish evidence in the chart that would suggest to me that we've really seen the low already. So I gave you here those key levels. The overall structure here will really be invalidated. I mean, I gave you here that level above which it will get very unlikely, which is here the $54.50 level, but it will be invalidated here above $58. The thing is, that would then be that triangle invalidated, that wave 4 invalidated, and the wave 4 will then be somewhere here. So we need to look at that. I just want to always mention those invalidation points, because these are the key levels we need to look out for, key support, key resistance levels, that if they get broken, then we might need to look for something else here. But really at the moment, it's currently pointing down. We see a few red candles here on the 1 hour chart as well, indicating we could really see that sell-off starting here. But to do that, we would now need to really move down, because what would now come, it would be a wave 3 of a wave 3. Here, this white wave 3, again, consists of 5 waves. We probably saw already the wave 1, saw the wave 2. The wave 3 should now be coming, and that should be a strong move down, yeah. But at the moment, until we really broke below that $47 and $46, the price could still move a little bit higher in here, and that would not be a problem at all, yeah. So waiting here for a clear decision at the moment, but the message here very clearly is that the low is not yet in for Solana. At least right at this moment when I make this video, I don't see the evidence, and as soon as I see it, I will of course make you aware. What kind of evidence would that be? Well, we would want to see some indicators turning to the upside, but also we would want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. We want to see an impulse to the upside. As I said, 5 waves always move into the direction of the higher level trend. That 5-wave move, and then we get a 3-wave move that will correct that. And only when we've seen that, we can be really certain, or as convinced as you can be in this kind of market, that the low is already in, yeah. Then it would make it very likely that the low is in. There's never 100% guarantee, yeah, absolutely not. But we want to make sure that we stick to all the rules and we get it right. Here, very interesting on the 4-hour chart as well, we currently see a engulfing red candle, so also suggesting we should see here further move down. Now that engulfing red candle isn't of course closed yet. Yeah, it will close I think in roughly 2 hours. Yeah, no, in 2 hours it will close. So within these 2 hours a lot can happen. We had this engulfing red candle, suggesting actually at the moment, if it stays there like that, the next candle should also be red, because so as we had here an engulfing green candle, the price moved up. Here we have an engulfing red candle, a lot of selling pressure here at the moment, yeah. That was also an engulfing red candle, and we are here in a scenario where we possibly will see another sell-off carrying on, because we have a lot of large red candles at the moment, and that hasn't changed yet. That would confirm my view that we are coming down a bit lower, and the $46 and $47 levels are key support levels where we will probably find support. But if they get broken, they will confirm this scenario. Primary expectation is that we go down further from here and follow this roadmap on the chart. All right, that is my view about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.